How to fix YouTube not working. Hello, you're welcome to the channel. In today's video, we would learn how to fix YouTube not working. First, we want to unplug your smart TV. This will clear temporary software memory issues. So we'll go to the TV and unplug it like this. Then you plug it back and wait for it to restart. Now another option is to clear the cache. You go to settings, click on it, then you go to apps. Under apps, you are going to YouTube. Go to YouTube and look for Clear Cache. When we are there, we click on it and click on OK. This will clear information memory lag that has been there. When we are done, we go back to the home screen. If any of this does not work, we are going to uninstall, update, and disable YouTube. Go to settings, go to apps, then we'll go for YouTube. When we're there, we are going to look for uninstall updates. Click on it and I'll click on OK. Allow it to uninstall. Next, we'll disable or uninstall YouTube in some TV. Click on OK, then it's disabled. Now we want to enable or reinstall it. So you go to enable session, click on that, OK. At this time, you may need to open it and sign in all over again. Now the YouTube is opening and there's option to sign in. I'm going to sign in with my phone. Allow. I use the scan code. Now it's opening. Now my YouTube is working perfectly and the problem is solved.